How many times have you judged someone to be cold and rude when they were actually a nice person? I have done this so many times myself. A lot of them I thought were terribly rude, just didn't know how to make a first impression. Whether we like it or not, whether we like to accept it or not, people are all the time judging us based on what we say and, more importantly, how we say it. Right body language can create the impact of you being a calm person, a confident person, and a natural leader. More so in the case of children. Even if your speech is the most eloquent, if our body language is not on par with it, then it definitely will not make the impact that it could. So, if you want your children to become impactful communicators, then please teach them this trick. Pro tip: teach them how to maintain eye contact with people. It's very, very important, whether it's a speech or whether they're giving a presentation or whether it's just you're speaking with people in a party. It's very important to maintain eye contact and retain that eye contact. In our seminar, we're going to teach them positive body language techniques that they can use in their everyday life, either for a public speech or just interacting with normal human beings, because all of us at the end of the day need to make a positive impact. And remember, people are going to judge you in less than 1/10 of a second the first time they see you.
And go.
The workshop is starting from 30th April to 10th May. Register now.